Right? Get inside, get inside.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Myself Sachin. I am back with live action along with my colleague Avnav Saxena from St Andrews Cricket Stadium, and I welcome you all to the Brookfield Premier League 2021. And was the first ball of the match. Ramesh cracks in, and he takes a first wicket for the team. The first ball of the over.
Sachin, I think it's a nice sunny day, and it's always nice to see some action like this. On the very first ball, the opponent has lost the wicket, so I think this match will be a very interesting match, and I hope both the teams will give a tough fight. So we'll be experiencing a toughest match today, because both the teams has some sort of image, and they seems to be claiming one of the best teams. So I think it will be a great match today.
Thank you, Avnav. I'm pretty sure the weight our team legends have been giving up the sweat in the nets. We have seen today morning all the players were there 3 hours before the game. The intensity is pretty much there. They don't want to lose any grey areas in the match. Team is pretty much changed. There are two changes. Shubham in for Sandeep, and there is a change in female player as well. Team legends full of energy here. It's a sunny, bright day. Though they have already qualified into semi-finals, they will like to keep the momentum going. And here is Ramesh with his fourth ball, bowling to a female player. Ramesh and Murli, those who have been instrumental with their bowling. I think that has been one of the area when they have been giving the tough fight to the opponents. Ramesh goes back. Murli, Ramesh, and Shubham and Rohit. They have got 4 key bowlers in their squad. They were pretty much balanced team here. And at I think end of the first over, and Wham yet to open their account. They have lost 1 wicket already on the very first ball of the game.
And it's a maiden over.
And it's a maiden over.
Yeah. So I think Team Leela Legends is giving a tough time to the opponents. What do you say?
Abhinav, absolutely. The way team has been kind of working in batting, bowling in all the areas, and the field placement change also we saw yesterday. Our team doesn't want to be there any loose screw that we have seen from a captain to everybody. And we are expecting some more crowd here today. It's Saturday here in Mumbai. We saw long lines since morning. People were waiting for the tickets. And here is Murli with the second over. Good shot, and it's a very good fever in the gully. Shubham, great fielding, Shubham. Shubham who's in for Sandeep.
I think
Diving to his left.
this player has a lot of potential.
Yes, and
see that.
saved a couple of runs for the team. Captain after each ball reaching out to the players, ensuring everything is back into place. There should not be any loose ends. Avinav team has already qualified for semi-finals. Could there have been a few more changes? What do you say?
I think yes, the team has already qualified for the semi-finals, but they just don't want to lose this match, and they just want to show their dominance in the field. So I think this is a very good chance for Team Leela Legends to show the opponents that yes, we have that kind of capabilities, that we can win this particular cup.
Very well said, Avinav. Absolutely. But I think going forward in the tournament, there could have been some inclusions, be it bowling all-rounder or batting all-rounder. They could have tested a few more players to ensure they have a strong bench strength for the upcoming games. But captain and vice captain and the team I think they aligned with the strategy that they would like to go with the winning combination only, and I think which is working for the team as well. And one thing which clearly makes a difference for Team Legends, they are bang there in the nets. All the bowlers, all the batsmen, fielding side, everyone is there in the every net session before or after the game.
You also want to
Yeah.
do commentary afterwards.
Murli with his fourth ball. This goes to the cover. Can there be run out? No. The throw could have been on the other end. Murli doesn't seem to be slightly happy. Yes. And it happens. The way game intensifies, it gets a bit difficult for the fielders also to kind of take a quick decision. And that was, I think, it happened. Shivam, who is under pressure because probably he's playing his first game. Again, captain, vice captain, and two senior players out there in the middle with the bowler. Can there be bowling change, or will Shivam be there for the third over as well? I think they are reserving him for the slog overs because WAM teams have some good, clean, and neat hitters in their middle over, so they would like to keep Ramesh and Murli for 6th and 7th over. So we have 2 overs, close to 5 runs, 1 wicket down. How do you see this game progressing forward?
I think the game is pretty nice because, but it is showing the complete dominance of Leela Legend in the field right now. I'm sure once we'll cross 4 overs, the scenario will be changed. But yes, as of now, what a catch! What a catch!
Rohit yaar, will this be catch? Yes, Mumtaz does the wonders for the team. Here is second wicket. What a catch! Mumtaz yet again Mumtaz has done this for the team. It is an amazing catch. It is an amazing catch. We talked about it yesterday. She is a kind of trump card for the team. And yet again she proves it. Dives towards her left. Grabs it with both the hands. Dives. What a clean catch from Mumtaz.
See Sachin, this is what I was saying. When you have already won 2 matches, you know that we are entering in the semi-finals. So the morale of the players goes on the next level, and this is what it is showing on the field also. Now the player like Mumtaz, she is taking a clean catch with one hand, and it's a great exhibition of cricket right now.
Absolutely, Abhinav. Completely agree with you. I think it's a quite a good beginning for Team Legends. 2 overs have already been bowled. 2 down of WAM at the loss of 2 wickets. I think the game is progressing in the right direction for Team Legends here. If they keep this going for another 2 overs, I think it be a one-sided game, Abhinav.
Absolutely. As of now, from here, I can see that it's a one-sided game right now. But see, cricket is an unpredictable game, so you never say anything. So let's see what will happen in the second innings. So yeah, we are waiting for that. But right now, it is completely showing the dominance of Team Leela.
Thank you, Abhinav. Rohit with his 4th ball of the 3rd over. The nats we saw he had quite turning balls landing up in the right areas, and we see another ball here. 5th ball, bang there. Off his spin, our batsman wanted to go for a shot over the bowler's head. They're absolutely in the black hole. Absolutely in the black hole. Absolutely there. So one thing that has been working for Team Legends in the bowlers are not giving extras. We saw in the first game wherein Legends has scored 87 and out of which 37 runs from the extras. And here is another shot. Another shot toward the covers. Ritu stops it well. Absolutely brilliant fielding there. This could have been 2 runs. She saves 1 run for the team. A great fielding from both the female players as well. We have seen them sweating away. Today morning, they were bang there in net sessions. I was there along with my fellow commentator Avinav. We saw both the female players facing at least 50 balls of the good bowlers. I would like to say that time and again that one thing that is working in the favor of Team Legends is the practice and net sessions. They have been really working hard. Here is Hanosh with his fourth over. Starts with the white ball. Starts with a white ball. Some correction here. Some correction. It's not a white ball. It's umpire decision. It's a legal delivery. Captain, vice captain, Priyash and Hanosh once again in the middle. End of 3 overs. 5 runs for 7. Here is fourth over. We'll wait for umpire decision. Will it be white? Yes, it is white ball. Probably second extra of the inning here. The focus of the bowlers has been here that they have to maintain the light and length. Here is first ball here too. He plays towards the cover. He plays it towards the cover. Shiva misses the ball. Batsman don't make an effort to go for a second run. Shivam, who has been given a chance for Sandeep, is under pressure. Sandeep, who played a vital role in the second game with his brilliant catch. He has been rested, will be fresh for the next game. Here is second ball from Chirag. He has lofted it for 2 runs here. We'll get 2 runs. Slowly, score moves up to 10 runs here. Team Vem, those who are coming in the second game, they lost 1 game today morning. I'm sure they would have learnt a lot from the first game.
And it's a chance of out, and that's out. Yes. Another wicket has gone down. And that goes to Mumtaz. Mumtaz has saved 1 run. I think, yeah, it's a 1 run. So
here is fourth ball from Chirag. It's a full toss. Narrow escape. Narrow escape. What a ball. What a ball. It was full end delivery. Our batsman wanted to hit over the bowler's head. Somewhere the ball missed. Chirag with his last ball of the over. Pushes it to the mid-on. Takes a single. A good approach from the batsman. I think what we saw yesterday that initially everyone was trying to hit the ball for the 6 runs here. But given the dynamics of the field, teams seems to be prepared well. Both the teams, Legends and Vem. The focus seems to be for the batsmen is to place the ball in the right areas and not to lose those singles and doubles. I think which will be playing very vital role. That's what I think the team didn't do yesterday. Murli here back with his second over, full toss delivery. Here is Shivam, will he be able to catch? Yes, he does. We'll wait for umpire decision, and it is no ball. It is no ball. What a catch! It was good catch. Batsman survive here. Here is Murli with his first ball yet. Good delivery, very good delivery this time. What a comeback from Murli, what a comeback from Murli. Nice delivery offside his stump. Yeah. Murli, we can say not less than Muthai Murli Dharan. But he has got some good pace. Here is his second ball. Will there is a confusion. Will he be out? Keeper misses the chance. Wicket keeper misses the chance here. It could have been third wicket for Team Legends. It was right in the hands of wicket keeper Daud. Easy chance. Easy chance. Here is Morley with his third ball of the over. Good ball towards the mid-on. Will he be out this time? Yes, he does. This time misjudged from the batsman. The ball straight went to the keeper, fielder there.
Come on, come on.
Fourth over in progress. Four wickets. 15 runs here. What I've been seeing is that Team VAM is in some sort of hurry. Some sort of hurry here from Team VAM. We saw till third over what was working for them, that they were trying to rotate this strike here. But suddenly they are trying to hit the ball over. Again fifth ball, and this is lofted. Fourth one run. Will they come for second? No. Good call by a non-striker. They have lost 4 wickets already. I think they need to slow down the game a bit here and the focus on single doubles. Here Murli very close again. What a over from Murli. What a over after the first over. Great comeback from Murli. Great comeback. Murli here is with his last ball of the over. Batsman pushes towards the mid-on. Will there be another run out? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Shivam picks up the ball. Collects nicely. Give it to the non-striker end. What is VAM trying to do? A question mark here. What is VAM trying to do here? They have lost top 5 batsmen. Here is Varun coming back. Team VAM would like to go for a strategic timeout here and to align their strategy. I think batsmen are some sort of hurry. They just want to score runs. And what we have seen in this ground historically, that placing the ball into right areas and then grab those singles will make all the more difference. Team VAM should know this, that they will not get easy extras from Team Legends. "15 runs. I will reconfirm with my fellow commentator. And stats. Will it a 6th over in progress or 5th over? The 6th over in progress. Ramesh. I think a well call taken by the captain. They have taken their strike bowler back. Here is Ramesh. Here is Ramesh. Good delivery. Good delivery. Full hand delivery upside. Batsman wanted to push it towards the cover. No contact. Wicket keeper collects the ball. Daud, the one who missed a very, very easy chance there. Ramesh here with his second ball. Very good defense. Very good defense from the captain. Very good defense from the captain. They have already lost 5 wickets. Their strategy seems to be that they will play Ramesh and other bowlers. Here is Ramesh with his third ball of the over. Good. Cover drive. Yes, put the ball into the gully. Will he come back for them? Second run? No. Non-striker there. They could see fielder on the ball. Rohit, who has been super in the field. 5th over on progress. Here is Ramesh with his 4th ball of the over. It's a leg by. They don't. Team Legends full of energy. Great supporters. We have the strength of 20,000 spectators here. Ramesh with his 5th ball. Put to the long leg. Takes a single. Ball goes to Mumtaz. When the ball goes to Mumtaz, there is a cheer up all around. We have seen her being trump card for the team yesterday as well as today. The way she took a catch. This time Ramesh. The ball goes to the cover. There is a misfield. Will they come for a run? No. No. Team VAM is well aware with the fielding side. Rohit, top class fielder, is right there in the cover. They will not take. Oh, back. Very, very close. Very, very close. Keeper collects the ball actively and hits the ball. Waits for the umpire call. Umpire says no. It was trying to, they were trying to build some pressure on the batting unit. We have seen what has given the boost for the team legends, the way they defended 35 overs, 35 runs score yesterday, and it is the end of 5th over. 6th over, 19 runs at the loss of 6 wickets. Hanosh is the vice captain of the team, captain and vice captain, having a discussion. Now they'll have to look for 2 bowlers because Ramesh and Muli, they have completed their quota already. Avinav, how do you see this game progressing from here? Will they be able to score 40 runs, which can be a fighting total on this ground?
I think it will be a tough task now because the team has already lost 6 wickets. And now only 1 over left with Mumtaz in which they can probably score, but yes, it will be a tough task because yesterday we have seen Mumtaz bowling and she bowls really well, so they would not be getting that chance to score maximum runs in that over also.
Great Avinav, great observation, I must say. Those spectators, those who open their TV sets and a little later, I want to give them the background of the game. Today was the third game for Team Legends.
And it's in the air.
Next ball, you loved it! All of you from our commentary box, myself Sachin, and I have my fellow commentator Avinav with me. Team Legends have already qualified to the semi-finals. Squad remains unchanged. There is one change. Sandeep has been rested today. Shubham is in. Here's Hanosh with his 4th ball. This time lofted. Will it go for 2 runs? Yes. Batsman secures 2 runs here. 7th overall progress. Will they be able to score 40 runs, which can be a fighting total here on this ground? Twenty-three runs.
25.
Correction here, 25 runs, end of 7 overs. As per rules, there will be last over by Mumtaz. Not to forget, she was Mumtaz who got the game in for Team Legends yesterday.
25.
6 wickets down. Here is Mumtaz with the last over. We have seen Mumtaz in the nets today morning also. She faced close to 60 balls. She is not just focusing on the bowling but batting as well. She is here with the first ball. Lofted! Will it be a catch? Will it be a catch? Yes! Mumtaz again does the wonder. She comes with a golden arm once again for the team. Takes the first wicket on the first ball. Here is my fellow Avinav.
I think this is what we were discussing, Sachin, a few minutes back, that Mumtaz is a tough bowler and the another team will not get a loose chance of making runs in this over also, and this is what we have seen on the very first ball.
Absolutely, Avinav. This is going to be very, very interesting over. What wonder she does on the next ball. Let's see. Here is Mumtaz with the second ball and lofted. Will it be a catch? No, this time batsman puts it away. Will they come back for second? No. Well called, taken by the non-striker. What a bowling by Mumtaz. Absolutely phenomenal with fielding as well as bowling. Here is Mumtaz with the third ball. Let's not miss every ball here. This time batsman lifts it over the long on. Again push it towards the long on for a single. Brilliant. Brilliant piece of bowling. Brilliant piece of bowling. Abhinav, what's going to happen in the next 3 balls? Quickly.
I think they'll not score more than 5 runs. 5 is on the higher side.
Here is Mumtaz with a 4th ball. This time lofted. Lofted over. There is fielder. Another wicket. What a bowling, Mumtaz. What a bowling. Exceptional. Exceptional. Nevertheless, greatly supported by the fielders also there. Just one. What a piece of bowling here by Mumtaz. And I think great strategy aligned by captain here. She was kept reserved for the last over. We know she did wonder. 7 wickets down. Will Mumtaz be able to take? Will Mumtaz be able to take another wicket and give a great fine closing for team this time? Lifted. Will there be catch? Yes! Yes, it did! Mumtaz picks up that wicket of the over. Last ball yet to go. Will she be able to make a hat trick? What a bowling! Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Last wicket, and it's a chance for hat trick for Mumtaz.
Absolutely, Abhinav. I think that has been one of the most interesting over of the game. Mumtaz does it for her team. It should not be wrong to say that she has been half of the team herself. Abhinav, what do you say? Last ball. Here is Mumtaz. Lofted! There is a chance of hat-trick! Yes! Yes, it does! Mumtaz does it for her team. Hat-trick on the ground. What a great over. It's a history created. 1 over, 2 runs, 4 wickets, and a hat-trick by Mumtaz. That's a closing for the team legends. That's a closing for team legends. What a finish! What a finish of the over. Absolutely brilliant. We'll be back with you in 10 minutes with the live action. Thank you.
तुझा विवेक बोर्ड परत पण झालाय नाही बोर्ड चालू आहे
स्लॉट बॅटिंग झाली असेल ते कोणत्या स्लॉट मध्ये
बॅटरी फुल झाली असेल काय
Listen, Abhinav.
यार आप यहीं पे बैठे थे ना आप यहीं पे बैठे थे मैं कभी बोलिए नहीं यार मजाक कर रहे हो
इधर आ जाओ
साफ क्यों बैठे हैं
We are back with the live action now. Legends back on the ground. We have Shubham and Rohit. Rohit will open the strike for the Team Legends here. What a phenomenal over that we saw some time back from Mumtaz. Four wickets. He's at the first ball. Rohit plays it towards the long on. Takes a quick single. We'll wait for the umpire decision. Will it be a no ball? Umpire says first bouncer of the over. Varun with the first over for team.
Shubham on.
Shubham with the strike. He plays it straight towards the long leg and takes a quick single. Here is Varun, good delivery. Rohit wants us to place ball as he had. But a good delivery here from Varun. I think Team Legends would like to secure this total with singles and doubles. It's not a big total. I think they would like to place the ball in the right areas and grab the opportunity of singles, doubles. There is some confusion between the batsmen, but good call by the non-striker says only one run. Shubham is back on a strike. Shubham, who has been given a chance today, and Sandeep has been arrested. Shubham would like to grab this opportunity with both the hands. Here's Varun with his fourth ball of the over. Shubham plays as well towards the long on. Takes a quick single here. Here is Varun with his last ball of the over. Rohit plays it well. Puts it away towards the cover. Will they come back for double? No. So it's the end of first over. Fielder in the cover, Pratik. There's a call for the physio here. Team Vam have to defend 30 runs here. I think each and every ball needs to be stretched at ball. And that's what is happening right now. We see captain and the vice captain reaching out to the bowler. Here we are back with the live action along with myself Sachin, along with my fellow commentator Avinav. Avinav, he was a potential candidate for the squad. Captain Priyash will not be much worried because they have been able to restrict opponents to 30 runs and they have got a balanced beginning of the inning. Rohit, we saw him playing yesterday. He's in a good touch with the bat. And that's what I think they have to keep going right now. They have to rotate this strike. They have to put the balls in the right here. This time he lifts it over the long one boundary. Will it be catch? Yes, it does. We'll wait for the umpire decision. Umpire says out. Umpire puts on his finger. As we were just talking about that, they'll be playing with the singles and doubles. Rohit tried to hit the ball over the bowler's head. That was he. The ball. The ball came up on the bat.
7 runs.
So second over in progress is one over and 2 balls. 7 runs as a loss of 1 wicket. As we see the early intent from Shubham, he's just trying to place the ball in the right areas. And this time Shubham lifts the ball for 2 runs. Umpire explains the rules. There was some confusion. His bowler with his fourth ball of the over. Shubham, well defense from Shubham. It's a very clear intent. He just wants to place the ball in the right areas and take those singles and doubles. And I think that's what the only requirement for the team is right now. They don't need to go for the big shots. This last ball, we'll wait for the umpire decision. Will it be a no ball? We'll wait for the umpire decision. Umpire says 2 runs. You can hear the voice from our background where the players have been not agree with the decision, but that's umpire decision which will be the final one. Here is bowler with the last ball of the over. Shubham plays it well towards the long on. There is fielder. Will they come for second run? No. Non-striker. Well called by the non-striker. End of 3 overs is 14 runs. My fellow stats telling me the score right now. They are almost halfway through. We have seen Shubham anchoring the inning. He's not trying to play big shots. He's just trying to place the ball in the right areas and secure those singles and double. The first delivery. Proper net. Will they run for overthrown? No. Non-striker, vice captain of the non-striker. He says no. This time Shubham drives it towards long on. We have Shiva there. Well stopped by Shiva. Slowly a game turning out towards Team Legends. Here is Shubham drives the ball towards the long on. Takes a quick single. If they have to make this game for Team Vem, they have to change every opportunity in the wicket. We have seen they have lost already 3 wickets. There is Hanosh wants to lift the ball towards the long on. Good delivery, full length delivery. Wanted to put it away for 2 runs. Hanosh. There is bowler with his 4th ball of the over and Hanosh plays it towards the cover. No runs taken. Well stopped. Fielder cuts it through for stop. Good stop by the fielder there. Here is bowler with his 5th ball of the over to Hanosh. Will Hanosh play towards and a well stop from Shiva. What a stop from Shiva. Well stop. Though they have a small total to defend, but they have been trying to put every effort there. They are not letting them take easy singles. Can the game go closer towards the last 3 overs? Will there be any? And it is Shubham. Oh, that's a wicket for Shubham here. He was trying to lift the ball towards the cover. Ends up giving the ball to the bowler. Bowler's hands there. It could have been slightly towards the wide cover reason, but he ends up giving the ball towards longer where the fielder was already there. So it's a big blow, I must say, for Team Legends. We have got Jaswanthan now, who was pretty instrumental yesterday with the bat, who hit 21 rounds and win 1 over against Hustlers, and that was the score 87 runs yesterday. So Jaswanthan is back on the strike now. So 3 wickets for How do you see this game progressing for next 3 overs? Over to you.
Last 1 over, I think they have given a game. Next ball, it's in the air. But it's safe. This is how you can increase the runs and you can win this game.
I'm sorry to say, but selection is.
Yeah, selection is very.
As I can see, umpire just strategic timeout for quick 30 seconds. We'll be back with the live action after 30 seconds.
कुछ करना नहीं है ना, खाली देना है ना, कि कुछ बोलने का है?
कुछ बोलना है
क्या बोलूं?
अरे 1 मिनट यार. नहीं नहीं नहीं. चालू है.
Amazing performance by Leela again. Hard luck Brookfield team. I would like to invite Dev Santani to give away the Man of the Match award, the managing partner for BSI. Dev,
Did you see the whole match? Did you like it?
Yeah, the match was great to see. The atmosphere is absolutely electric, and it was good to see some woman power with one of the team members, Mumtaz, getting 4 wickets. So it was like actually really interesting.
yeah, so Mumtaz is Man of the Match. You can call it. You can give. Mumtaz.
Mumtaz, you're the man of the match. It's amazing. Tara, you should give her. From woman to woman. You want to say something? Loudly. Say loudly.
Well, congratulations for you to win, and I hope you have great games for others.
Very good.
Again, what should I say? It is a team's match, so I would like to thank my team.
Boys played well, yeah.
Yeah, boys played well.
We would
So
like to picture that again, the catch which you took. It was amazing actually. So hopefully the cameraman took a picture of it. We'll frame it for the first show.
thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.